Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a networking strategy with LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a successful networking strategy on LinkedIn begins with defining your goals. Identify what you want to achieve through networking. This could be finding a new job, building industry connections, or gaining insights. Next, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Ensure your profile picture is professional and approachable. Craft a compelling headline that summarizes your expertise and aspirations. In your summary, tell your story in an engaging way. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what you bring to the table. Once your profile is polished, it's time to grow your network. Start by connecting with colleagues, alumni, and industry leaders. Personalize your connection requests to increase acceptance rates. After expanding your connections, engage thoughtfully with your network. Share relevant articles, insights, or experiences that add value to your connections. Comment on posts to foster relationships and show your expertise. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry or interests. Participate in discussions to further extend your reach. Seek informational interviews with professionals in your target field. Prepare questions in advance to make the most of these conversations. As you build relationships, follow up to cultivate those connections. Offer assistance or insights whenever possible. This will establish you as a resource in your network. Monitor and adjust your strategy as needed. Regularly review your goals and reflect on your networking efforts. Consistency is key, so dedicate time each week to networking activities. Track your progress by noting new connections and any opportunities that arise. By following these steps, you can build a robust networking strategy on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.